Welcome to Sci-Chat Mindset. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of logic, the study of reasoning. Let's uncover how conclusions are derived from premises, why some arguments are valid while others are not. Logic is the study of reasoning, focusing on how conclusions are derived from premises. Logic is all about reasoning, how we go from point A to point B. It's the tool we use to decide if one statement logically follows from another. Think of logic as the invisible thread connecting ideas, facts, and assumptions to conclusions. Let's break it down. Premises are statements or assumptions we take to be true. Conclusion is what follows from those premises. Validity is the golden rule. If the premises are true, the conclusion must be true. But remember, validity doesn't always mean truth. Here's a quick example. All books on philosophy are boring. This book is a book on philosophy, therefore this book is boring. This is a valid argument because if the premises are true, the conclusion logically follows. Now let's tweak it. Many books on philosophy are boring. This book is a book on philosophy, therefore this book is boring. This is invalid. Why? Because many doesn't mean all. The conclusion doesn't necessarily follow. Here's a mind-bending twist. All cats have 5 legs. Bub's pussy is my cat, therefore Bub's pussy has 5 legs. This argument is valid, but it's not true. Logic doesn't confirm the truth of premises, it only preserves truth from premises to conclusion. Logic is a powerful tool, but it has limitations. It doesn't create new truths. It only shows what conclusions follow from the information we already have. The truth of the premises must be established separately. In science, logic helps us draw conclusions from data, but scientific knowledge also relies on observation, experiments, and induction, which go beyond pure logic. Thanks for joining us on this logical journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video on Sci-Chat Mindset.